If you've ever worried about getting locked out of your Steam account, this guide is going to save you a lot of stress. Today, I'll show you exactly how to get your backup Steam Guard recovery codes for 2025, so you're protected no matter what happens. It's simple, quick, and something every Steam user should do before it's too late. Start by opening the Steam app. Desktop or mobile works just fine. If you're not signed in yet, tap or click on the login option and enter your account name and password carefully. Once you hit the sign in button, you'll land on your homepage like normal. Now look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile name is displayed. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Account Details. This will take you to an area with everything related to your account settings. On this page, you'll find an option labeled Manage Steam Guard. Go ahead and click it. This section is where you control your security features, including recovery codes. Inside, look for the setting that says something like Get Backup Codes or Generate Recovery Codes. Before Steam shows you the codes, it needs to make sure it's really you. They'll send a text message to the phone number linked to your account. Enter the SMS verification code you receive, and once that's confirmed, Steam will give you a list of your backup codes. These recovery codes are one-time use keys that let you log in if you lose access to your authentication device or can't get Steam Guard codes normally. Each code works once, so make sure you keep them somewhere safe. Here's the important part. Don't just leave these codes sitting in a random note or screenshot. Store them securely, use a password manager, an encrypted note, or write them down and keep them somewhere only you can access. Treat them like the spare keys to your entire game library. Once you have them saved, you're done. You've just added a powerful safety net to your Steam account and protected yourself from lockouts and recovery headaches. If this helped you out, feel free to stick around for more quick security tips and Steam guides. Stay safe, stay smart, and enjoy your games with peace of mind.